Okay, so these are the mushroom blocks that I did. Especially been 2 weeks and then put them in the box method and start the box method. Well, I kind of forgot about them. So I have already failed my first attempt. No, I didn't fail, because look, I did get a flush off of it. It's just small and it's got spores, so I'm not going to eat that. But that's my first attempt, and I was successful in a way, but it's definitely way past due. So anyhow, now off to the box method. So the same method here will work. The guy told us from GP Mushroom that if you don't, after you get your first flush from them, which is like your collection of the fruits and stuff, the first mushrooms, then you can, give them 2 weeks off, and then you start spraying again. So that's where we're going to say we're at. So anyhow, you put them in a box. You can see these ones here are definitely, all mushroomed up. This is where I took that one from that I had broken off. So that one clearly did its job. This one here, I think, is the one that the dog had chewed on, and it didn't really do anything. It's not got the substrate's not all mushroomed up like these ones here are. So with that, you put it in a box, keep it in the dark, cool spot. I did move it to a little closer to my door so I would remember instead of forgetting again. And then you just spray it. So spray the whole thing, he said, with water. Make sure you get all them holes filled up. The goal is to make it have the wet, but to keep the humidity up on it. He said, do this every day for 3 days, directly spraying your bag. Because you can see, I'm getting close on this one here. I think it might actually do the trick. We'll see. But it's also top heavy over there. Anyhow, so spray it real good. And then he said after 3 days, you don't spray the bag directly. Then you just kind of spray the box so that, you know, like so that it will still create the moisture and the humidity, but it's not directly on the mushroom for it to happen. So spraying all of these bags directly, and I'm going to put it back in the dark area, not in the direct sunlight. And then we'll check it again tomorrow. Well, I'll check it again tomorrow. Y'all don't need to see it again. And then hopefully in a couple days, I actually have fruit-bearing mushrooms, not just one that I let go waste. Because, well, out of sight, out of mind, truly is a problem for me. But either way, I guess we'll see what happens with this one, since we're pretending this is our 2-week break on it. But, yeah, well, anyhow, either way, I'm going to call myself successful because I did get one. And that was the already worn off Florida oyster mushroom here. It started out with this cap being flat and everything, but see how it folded up and everything like that? And then you can see the spores underneath of it. Those are not good for you to be breathing in and all that stuff, he said. So I don't want to take those chances with that. So I'm really bummed that I missed it. Missed the window, but there we go. Get this all sprayed up, see what happens. Keep the box going and keep in the warm, humid area, and we'll see how it goes. Anyhow, grow your own mushrooms. It is easy. Just don't forget.